The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that despite a negative session, FIIs were net buyers. Interestingly, as of this week, FIIs have net bought to the tune of Rs. 10,668 crores. Our call of the day suggests that Nifty may see so in today's trade despite the backdrop of newly optimistic FIIs investors. We say Nifty may struggle for direction because of three catalysts. 1. The street is unable to make up their mind about how disruptive US President Donald Trump's tariff will be. 2. Fears of slowdown in economic growth. 3. Fears of inflation. Also please note, Trump's tariff detent is likely to fade as focus turns towards the four near-term catalysts. 1. March FANO expiry, Thursday, 27th March. 2. The US Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) Index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, to be wired this Friday, 28th March. 3. Tariff announcements on 2nd April. 4. Friday's US Employment Situation Report on 4th April. Long story short, an up and down session is quite likely. Volatility may be hallmark amidst FANO expiry. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 20 to 41 crores while DIIs net sold shares to the tune of Rs 696 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are suggesting desired consolidation. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is still hovering near 13.47 levels. At last check, USD INR 28 April expiry is hovering near 85.99. Nifty PCR 27th March is at 0.83 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 27th March is at 0.86. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 3487. Biggest support on Nifty is now placed only at 23,151 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,300 and 23700. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51-09. Bank Nifty's biggest interweek support at 50,407 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 52,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,705 and 1700. Bias for the day is neutral. In yesterday's trade, massive profit booking was witnessed at Dalal Street as Nifty snapped its 7-day winning streak. The negative takeaway was that Nifty Midcap minus 0.72% and Small Cap indices minus 1.20% to end in red. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. Larsen & Toubro is in focus on bagging orders worth around 15,000 crore rupees from QatarEnergy LNG. 2. NCC's stock price is limelight on winning multiple deals worth Rs 10,805 crore from BSNL.